Introducing the MATCHFIT 360 system. With its grid of dovetail grooves and wide range of functions, this workbench is arguably every bit as versatile, if not more versatile, than any workbench on the market. And the best part is, you can build it yourself. Let's see how it stacks up to one of these fancy Scandinavian workbenches. Dog holes are great. However, dog holes confine your accessories to a fixed location. Dovetail grooves allow you to clamp anywhere along the surface of the workbench without having to rely on the edge or dog hole locations. Not only can you clamp anywhere on top of this workbench, you can use the MATCHFIT Dovetail hardware to create all kinds of jigs, like fences and stops, using the grooves to position them in any location and at any angle, hence the name 360 system. Using the hardware, you can position this fence anywhere on the table to give yourself an enormous cutting capacity on the bandsaw while working on the right side of the blade. Make edge guides to keep your workpieces in place on 2 axes. This is really helpful with repetitive assembly processes, like building drawer boxes. Store-bought workbenches come in fixed sizes. The MATCHFIT 360 system allows you to build a workbench to whatever size best fits your needs. Or you can even route dovetail grooves in the workbench or tool chest you already have. This is especially useful when you're tight on space. Mobility. A workbench doesn't have to be just a workbench. In addition to the convenience of mobility, the adjustable height and locking casters allow you to use this table for additional support all over your workshop. Use it at the table saw for outfeed when cutting large panels or long stock. Need to resaw a long board on the bandsaw? No problem. This bench serves as an extension to the laughably small bandsaw tabletop. What is that, like 8 inches? That's right, 1 outfeed table for every tool in your shop. Imagine that. One of the advantages of end vices is that it allows you to glue up long parts without a long clamp. Reversing the head of the dovetail clamp and using the vertical dovetail grooves on the apron, this bench can do just that. So feel free to unburden yourself with the mile of long clamps you have taking up space in your shop. With those same vertical grooves, you can glue up multiple small parts secured down on a flat surface. This is great for stuff like cutting boards or any other project that requires joining multiple parts of the same thickness. One drawback of end vices is that the rods are in the center, limiting the size of the workpiece you can put in. The horizontal grooves on this bench's apron give you the functionality of an end vise by clamping from the side. This allows you to work with much larger stock much more comfortably. You may have noticed that the dog holes on this workbench are a little large. Here's why. The clamps go through from the bottom to clamp low-profile stops in place. This keeps your workpiece secure while sanding or routing without the clamps interfering from the top. This is without question the ultimate workbench. So if you can think of anything some other bench can do that this one can't, leave a comment, and I'll prove you wrong. Visit us at microjig.com where you can download the plans for free and follow along with a full instructional video.